Okay, so I really got around. You know I ain't got the time. I really suck at this shit. You a really bitch. Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. So, welcome to my bedroom. Welcome to my bed. We are going to do a different type of video today. So if y'all don't know, I really love games. Like, I love games. I love to play games with my friends, especially if we just having a night of like turning up. More so drinking games, but I have decided to come and show you guys how I make one of my games, which is Drunk Jenga. Now, everybody knows my Drunk Jenga games are always fun. Most of the time, I get people who be like, no, I'm not playing that game. And then I got people who be like, yes, let's play. That's all down for it. Now, so Drunk Jenga is supposed to be fun. So while I'm making this game, girl, I got me some Capriccio, the little sangria. I am drinking it from my little canister that keeps my keeps the temperature or whatever I put in here. So let me just tell you what you need for Drunk Jenga. The only thing you really need is like Sharpie markers and the colored ones. So I have like the colored Sharpies. I also have a black one because you're going to use black for real. And then I also got the skinnier Sharpie ones. Now, I didn't go out and buy these. I've been had these in my house. But if you want to make Drunk Jenga, you need to go buy them, sis. Because that's what you need to make them kind of like colorful. This video could be a reference. Like if you want to make Drunk Jenga, then come back and look at this video and you can make the exact same game that I have. You can come up with your own rules. I also have Pinterest up on my computer because I got some of my ideas from Pinterest too. The only downside is that sometimes people put like their Drunk Jenga pictures, but the link doesn't work and or the link doesn't explain what some of these rules mean. I noticed that when I was making my first Drunk Jenga game, so I just came up with my own rules. I just got a feel of what like some of the people were saying. So this one block right here says council meeting, and I didn't decorate this one yet, but basically this means if you pull this block, that means everybody at the table has to have a meeting and we get to decide what happens with you. So this one says thumb war, so that means you pick a thumb war with somebody at the table. Y'all had a little thumb war, and the person who loses, they have to drink. This block I found particularly fun. It's called Game Over. So if you pick this block, that just means that you're out of the Jenga game. Now, so for some people, if you pick it early on in the game where you haven't really had an opportunity to play, then it's kind of like void. But if you've been in the game, some people like it because you no longer have to take shots. But then some people will hate it because, I mean, what if you're enjoying the game? But it's game over, bitch. You shouldn't have picked it. Not all the blocks in here are going to be a drinking block. Like this one says safe. So that means if you pick this, you're safe. This one says bust a rhyme. That means somebody at the table gotta drop a beat and you gotta rhyme to it. Hey, you gotta rhyme to it. Y'all want me to do something right quick? Okay. So I really gotta rhyme. You know I ain't got the time. I really suck at this shit. You a really bitch. My mind does not go as fast to really think of a rhyme, sis. So, okay, so this one is really fun. It's called Heaven. And on this block, it says to raise your hands, don't read it out loud. So the purpose of this, if you pick this block and you read what it says, you have to raise your hand. Those at the table must raise their hand. The last person to raise their hand have to take a shot. So you know it's kind of like that nose goes thing. So if somebody say, anybody want to go get my milk? And everybody go like this, and the last person to go like this, meaning the person gotta go get the milk. Well, that's kind of what this is. It's just called having. You just gotta raise your hands, and anybody who catch on just gonna do it with you. And if nobody catch on, everybody gotta take a shot. I really like this because it's kind of one of them games where, it's kind of one of those things where it catch you off guard. It's like, what is everybody doing? And then when you find out the bitch, you gotta take that shot, you be mad. So I have some blocks here, and I am going to, these are like my empty blocks, and I am actually just going to create some with you guys. So I don't know if I want to kind of like zoom you guys in. What do you think? Okay, so how about this? I'm gonna start off with you guys right there, and then as I start to make the game sound, I'll zoom you guys in. But for right now, bitch, let's take a sip of our drink. So if you chilling with me, just come chill. We about to drink and make Drunk Jenga. All right, so I think I have an idea. I want one of them to be called sex noise, and that means that you have to make a sex noise. So that means you got. I wrote this in pink, and I'm just gonna take some green and kind of like just kind of like right. It's no particular design to this, sis. I took a green and I took a pink and a green. I put some green at the top. The purpose of this though, I add the colors to it so that it could just be kind of like something to look at. And it's not nothing dry, like nothing dry. So let me see. I'm on Pinterest and you could decorate your cards the way you want to decorate your cards. I personally don't know how to draw color. Like, bitch, I don't know how to do none of that, okay? So, yeah. So this one I have on my old Junk Jenga game, and I think this one is fun. It's called Mute. Now, generally when the Junk Jenga game is kind of going like fun, bitch, you hate this card because it be laughs going, it be people talking, and you can't like say anything. So that's the purpose of Mute. Like, mute is when you just can't be quiet until you go. God forbid if you playing with a lot of people, it's just like, God damn, like I really can't talk. So I'm going to draw a circle, and then I'm going to draw like a little hazard sign in between it or something. And it's going to look like that. Girl, I don't know how to damn draw. I'm going to tell you that right now. So that's Mute. This one is Kiss Someone on the Cheek. I don't really like doing stuff like that. So there is one in here called Lap Dance. That means you have to pick somebody in a circle and give them a lap dance. I try to stay away from the ones that's kind of like too much. So one of them is like grab on the ass. One of them is like kissing. I don't like putting too many of those in the game because most of the times I'm playing and people are already partnered up. That kind of take the fun from it. You know what I mean? Like, and not only that, let's just say if people not partnered up, people don't really feel comfortable kissing others. And I understand that. I would hate if I got this one and it's like kiss. I'm like, bitch, I ain't kissing none of y'all at this table. You know what I mean? So I just try to take those out. But you can use them if you like want to go for it. So also what I know is that this game is not inclusive. So there's some people who drink and there's some people who smoke. So I'm gonna make one that's called Fire It Up. So that means you gotta fire that bitch up. If it's somebody at the table that got some on them, fire it up. I should have fucking put a green leaf. How about I do that? Because that was a mess. So how do you draw like a stem? So it goes like this, and the bud go like this, and it go like that. Girl, this shit look dumb as hell. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be able to show you guys what it looks like at the end or when we done with this, and you'll be able to see. Bitch, I can't draw worth shit. I can't draw at all. Oh, I don't have one in here where it says all chug. How about we do that? So I'm going to put it in black so that everybody knows. So it's going to say all, and then it's going to be chug. All chug, period. That's simple. And then I have one in here. I have two in here that says bottoms up. So that means if you're drinking this, you just got take it to the head. Whatever you drinking, bottoms up, bitch. Drink it, take it to the head. We have 2 truth and 1 lie. And you know what? I never really how do you play 2 truths and a lie? That means you tell us something and then we pick which one it is, I guess. I don't really know. Whoever know how to play 2 truths and a lie whenever we play this, they'll know how to do it. Cause bitch, I can't think right now. I might be deliberated. What it's called. Oh, I just thought of one. So what it's gonna be is called picture mail. That's cool. So that means you have to pick an ex and send them a selfie. Ah! You got picture mail, bitch. I like that. Ain't that cute? Okay. Picture mail. Okay. So yeah, picture mail is gonna be you gotta take a selfie and send it to your ex. Oh, how about we do this? We could do model walk. So that means you have to pick a person at the table. Y'all have to compete and do a model walk. The best model walk win. The loser take a shot. Let's do that. Okay. Ooh, I think that'll be fun. Y'all, I really can't wait to play this Drunk Jenga game. If you are enjoying this, please give me a thumbs up, y'all. Like, I think this is fun. I was on live a couple weeks ago, and I was like, I want to do a Drunk Jenga. And I hope that you guys, like, will enjoy the video. And I feel like you guys are enjoying it so far. So, But with Drunk Jenga, I try not to make some of the repeating blocks because I like when it's different. You know what I mean? Like, everything is different. Ooh, we should do staring contests. So y'all know how a staring contest go. Like when you stare at somebody and the first person to blink gotta take a shot. Ah! Yeah, that's lit. Okay, I like that one. I just got that idea. So it's going to be staring contest. And I am going to write, y'all can't see this. I'm going to write this one. Staring. Girl, I drew a fucking Pokeball. I'm sitting. Bitch, I drew a fucking Pokeball. Oh my God. You can't see it. I'm kind of upset. Why the fuck did I draw that? I keep trying to draw stuff and I'm just the worst, y'all. Oh my God. I like staring contests. So, ooh, you know what I'm about to write? I'm about to write one that's called Vent. And this is going to be a part in the game where you just have to vent about something for 20 seconds. I think that's cool. People are drunk. You get to vent about stupid shit. That's what it's about to say. It's about to say vent. This one says truth or dare. I think we have one in here that says truth or dare. It says dare or drink. Ooh, that's kind of bad. Ooh. See, if I had dare or drink, I wouldn't do it. Y'all think we should do dare or drink? Okay, let's do dare or drink. We got dare or drink. So that means, do you want to take a dare or do you want to drink? Bitch, I'll be the one to be like, drink. I'm scary ass. If anybody who's wondering, I got these Jenga blocks from Family Dollar, and they were $5. And I don't like to build them to stack them because you could tell that they're not the true Jenga blocks. So, like, the cut is off. I like to kind of, like, lay these all out on the table, and then you just pick one and go. So, the way that they're laid out here, you just flip them over, and then the person who pick them, you just face your fate. Yeah, I think we did the Jenga game. Like, that's so lit. So let's go over some of these just kind of really, really fast. So we have vent. That means you must vent about something. Safe, best impression. That means somebody at the table, you got to do an impression of them. Have heaven. I told you guys what heaven was. You have categories. So that means, oh, categories is this. Categories is if we pick a category that say colors. That means everybody have to say a color at a table. Keep it going. You cannot repeat a color. If we say numbers, you cannot repeat a number. That's what it is. Then it have shot. Favorite sex position. You have to tell us your favorite sex position. Staring contest. That means two people must have a staring contest. The first person who blinks takes a shot. Twerk. That means you got to twerk. Hillbilly, that means you got to give us your best hillbilly impersonation. All chug, come clean, that means you got to call somebody or somebody at the table. You have to come clean about something. New rule is you create a new rule for the table. Spelling bee, that means we have to give you a word, you must spell it. Righties, that means all my righties are safe for drinking. All my lefties have to take a shot. Mute, you can't talk. Fire it up, that means you got to fire that bitch up. Sharing is caring. That means you must pick a person and give them some of your drink. Game over. It's only one block in this game that's considered game over. So if you pull it, that means you're out of the game. Dude, so listen to me. I don't know if I was lit, but I do remember pressing record on my remote, and I guess it didn't press. So I don't have no damn outro. I'm sitting here editing a video. I go to get my outro and I'm like, bitch, where's the damn outro? So here we are, okay? But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really, really had fun filming it. Y'all, I played this Drunk Jenga game this weekend and it was a hit, sis. Like, everybody enjoyed it, which I knew. Like, my Drunk Jenga games are always kind of lit. Like, I'm so happy that people enjoyed it. If you check the description box, you are going to find all the labels that we created and the rules to it. Feel free to use the exact game. I actually encourage you to use this exact game. But if you want to create your own rules, bitch, go for it, of course. Like, but I had fun making it. I hope that you guys had fun watching it. I was watching the video and I'm like, oh, this is nice. So I really hope that you guys give me a thumbs up. If I have any other games that I come up with and you guys are interested, let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and then I'll figure out more games to bring out to my channel. But that's it, sis. I'm Nene Tanae, to all my new subbies. Hey, boos. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all. Mwah.